Kurumzari. ISTV ki pau miyang tabiri ba punumapu taram na oksari. Hauji pawagi maruiba pauta Battle of Imphal World War ki humdra suba kumon tharam pangthokrai. Mai bolopa singi ningsing kubamasi preserve taunanaba wafong governor phongdokrai. Pau sing sanona pizari. Ngasi namboda leiba mai bolopa singda Battle of Red Hills Aka Point lisingani samapan kunga taruki tharam pangthokrai. Lising masama panifuga marida songna kiba ani suba lanzaugi battlefield oriba mafamasigi ningsing kubambu ningsing duna tharamasi pangthokpane. Haribo mafamasi ngak senduna thamgodabani haina Governor B.K. Dugal na phongdokrai. Manipur Tourism Forum amadi Second World War Imphal Campaign Foundation anina senduna pangthokpa tharam aduda Chief Minister O Ibobi MLA and Lokant amadi atai maru ebamiye kayasu saruk yake. Loirana ani suba lanzaugi matamda Laikadraba Zafangi Lami amagi masanupa Mitso Hitosu ngasigi tharam aduda yauke. Tharonga mari lenana Maibolopa Singda Lady Banding Singh Kubamda Chief Minister Amadi Governor Lu Singduna Laisu Kaduna Ikai Kumnaki. Loirana minute ani tumina leptuna awabasu phangdoke. Chief Minister Ibobina Lising Masama Panifuga Marigi Methada Tokiba Nungaitraba Thodok Aduna Ngasi wari oina Japanese amadi Manipuri singi marakta ningsingduna lairi. Lal tabona nakal anida kudong tiba kaya nanganduna tragic event ama oire. Lal kaufoktuna santi amadi saukot papuranaba honaba mathautai. Ningsing tharam asi Manipur sarkana matam leba kibikta support tawduna hena mapung fanaba honagani. Maibolopa singi mafamasi heritage site oibata natana India ki manungda khwaidigi faba tourist spot ama oirnaba khonagani haike.
Challenge for us for the future then will be to see how we can tell the story of what happened in Manipur during the war and develop Gazian its related heritage in a way that makes it interesting and attractive of visitors. The state government will support in preserving these heritage sites as well as to promote the tourism potential of the state. I congratulate the efforts put by Manipur Tourism Forum in organizing this event. My best wishes for the observation cum celebration a grand success.
Amarobja Governor B.K. Dugal now Japan Tamadi Allied Forces Singa Luinana Lanchenikaba Maibolopa Singi Mafamasi preserve the Watangai Fade. Lupa Kro Kaya Tada Juna Mafamasi Shangat Naba Barat Sarkada Kangan Kibal Lady Haibu Wafam from the K. Lal Songnabana Praza Singda Awaban Nangi Haibasi Ningsingba Sungani. Lalgi Mahuta Nungsinaba Amadi Santi Protnaba Honava Haibasi Yamatangai Fade. Matanga Sahida Pangtokodoriba Ningsing Thoramda Hena Masak Tonganaba Mafamasi Sangbat Haningbagi Apamba Fundoki.
The people of Manipur suffered a lot during the war, with many families running helter-skelter, and Imphal, I am told, was almost devoid of any population during that period. The untold misery faced by the people of Manipur then were never brought out to the fore. It is nearly 7 decades now that people still talk about the deaths caused during the bombing of the Kurai Chinganbam Manda. Manipur had fought many wars with their neighbors but had never used weapons of such nature which caused havoc, killing tens and hundreds.
Regular English School da Bom Thamlamba Thawangbo All India Student Federation Manipur State Council na Kandiam Tawba Fongdorakli. Manipurda maram amanatraga amana itatatana mahi masing tambada ayat apan piriba asi taudanaba AISF na khangalakte. Handak sahigi angan phau thariba lafam singda Agriculture Minister M.D. Nasina ngasidigi sarkar lepa ataba mamalda lawi singda har phangan krai. Ngasi ahanbu oina Imphal West District ki manungsana leiriba Wangoi Thongkong Lakshmi Bazar amadi mayang Imphal Bazada lawi singda har sing adu phangan ke. Ngasi pangthok kiba thoram aduda Agriculture Department ki Director S. Guniza, Imphal West ki District Agriculture Officer N. Brozendro, Assistant Fertilizer Officer Amadi Atai Mari Lainava Officer Kayasu Saruk Yake. Har sing adu lawi single lupa stani marifuga taruk paisa humpuda phangan ke. Makatana Minister na mayang Imphal gi ahan balorok tathariba mafam singda chatunasu yangshin ke. Department of Paika Leba Kongtang Asigi Matangda Director Gunizana Imphal West ki oina low pari lising masani Maudraga Mapan Angan Pau Tahali Housing Lafam Singasigi oina Darkaweba Harsing Adu Panganabagi Dama Kongtang Asi Lokalapane Makatana Atai District Singasu Packet Kigani High K Imphal West ki Chief Medical Officer ODB Dr. Sarungbam Bimola Kumari Davida International Award lising ni taraga mari pirakle Award se haukiba me kunga marita Nepal ge Kathmandu da Nepal India Dalit Friendship Organization Babu Jagajiban Ram Kala Sanskriti Sahita Academy ne siduna pangthokiba thoram amada Nepal ge Law Minister na kusin nakibani haire Globalization asida education ge saruk asi yamna chawi Masida matam ga chanaba activity oriented education foundation pibagi tangai fadaba lai haina Begyan Education Institute ki Chief Executive Officer K Pravin Krishnana hotel classic ta pami singa unaba amada fongdokre Mahana makhatana ahung ama purakpada madugi kanava amasung ohelakpa yaba kaya adu khangba change Begyan Education Institution na education sector da purakdeba anoba mong asina education kakta natana maramdom santok lainaba honai haike
the time of admission, what we've realized is most of the North Indian students are pretty good at their academics, right? So we have scholarships, merit-based scholarships, which we are extending to all the Northeast students. Normally, we give them only based on admission test. So here, I'm very happy to inform that 15% concession will be given right away as part of a scholarship for all Manipuri students.
Sarva Shiksha Avigyangi Makada Central with Special Nisingbo Takpi Tambinaba listening Taraga Matroidegi Contractor Lokiva Inclusive Education Caregiver Marifuga Matroibu Mangzamuna Karigum Amata Kangandana Sakiba Masta Faba Tolo Piraga Makataba Pidana Ladiba Tawombo Galindava Fondotuna Nasi Kasam Pata Wakami from Chatabaga Luinana Chief Minister Memorandum Amasu Patient Cry Wakami from Madu Saruk Yakibami Amana Fondolopada Lising Interaga Matoigi, February Tada Tokiba SS Egi advertisement Amagi Matung Ina, Inclusive Education Caregiver, Marifuga Matoi, Contractor Tabak Toroki, March Ta Faba Tolop Pikaba Matung da Order Amata Totana, Housing Faba Tolop Amata Pibidre. Atoba Matumda, Marila Nabasing na Sab Saba Kangan Biu High K. Loshilapeda Maruba Pau Amukana Battle of Imphal Wal Wargi Humdra Soba Kumon Taram Pangtokre Maibolopa Singi Ningsing Kubam Asi Preserve Taunanaba Wafong Governana Fongdokre ISTV Pau Miyang Tabidi Bapunamapu Amukahana Kurumzari